Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be changing the head on a Kawasaki FJ180V. Now, a couple of days ago, I picked this thing up for, I believe, like $380, which I probably overpaid for something that wasn't running. But, it needed a new head. I thought maybe I can, retap the threads, because the threads were the problem. I'm going to show you guys in a second. But I can't. Turns out I couldn't retap the threads, so I'll show you what's wrong with it. I thought maybe it'd be as simple as retapping them because, well, the guy had the spark plug in there, but it was really loose. Like, it really messed up the threads. I'm not sure what they did, but anyway. I went to my grandfather's house because I have a couple of these engines there. And I took another head off of it. Right now it's installed on it, but I have a clip of me taking it off the engine, the good one, or the good head, and I'm going to be putting it back on. So, I should have filmed the intro before, but I didn't. So, this is the head here. And I'm going to turn my camera around in a second to show you guys what's wrong with it. Okay, guys, so here, you can see that this head is cracked over here. But not only that, the threads are finished. If my camera can zoom in, or not zoom in, but focus on that, you guys see that those threads are finished. And like the hole isn't even straight, it kind of curves a little bit. It's kind of weird. But yeah, this head was toast. You can see that's like flat there. There's no threads there. Not sure if you guys see that. So anyway, if you guys were wondering, I don't know why it's so out of focus, but if you were wondering if you can take one of these base model without oil filter Kawasaki FJ180V heads and replace them with a head from newer Kawasaki FJ180V K.A.I. I think it is, or K.I.A. The newer model. You can, basically, is what I'm trying to say. I already changed the head and timed it, changed the oil, put a new spark plug on there, and I'm gonna see if it starts up soon. I might have to take the air filter off and give her a little bit of starter fluid to get her to pop off the first time, but hasn't run since September. Right now it's April, so it hasn't run for a good couple months. So might have to go through the carb as well, but maybe we can get away from not going through the carb. I don't know. Anyway, okay, so for that X mark that I have, I'm gonna need this head. It's a little bit in a awkward position, so I'm gonna see if I can turn this around or lift it up and put it maybe on this plow here and just take those 4 bolts off, and hopefully this thing will just come right out. I brought an impact, so it should be nice and quick. This is a Pro Line, part of a fleet that I got a little while ago. The engine is junk, I think. Yeah, there you go. Connecting rod is completely out. It looks like maybe the piston or something was wrong. I don't know, but whatever. I don't know much about these. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can put it somewhere and see if I can take the head off. Okay, I got you guys standing on an old Ford tractor here. We're gonna see if I can get this head off and not block the entire shot here. Get a hammer. I can knock this thing out. Go. Whew. She did not look too pretty in here. She got a little bit of oxidation and some rust. So that should be fine, I think. It's probably blocking that whole shot there, but muffler, linkages, everything, carb, everything's off here. Probably gonna get more water on it, but it's fine, I think. I'm not too worried. This deck's really clean though. I've been waiting for a nice Kawasaki engine to put on this, but haven't found one yet. I have another one that has a okay-ish motor, but it's pretty rough. Okay guys, so just gonna put the mower on the table here. And we're gonna start working on this thing. I push strings around the tires so it's roll around. Works fairly well actually. You'd be surprised. So I got the new head here. Opened it up and it was full of rust, but I cleaned it up nicely. At least I think. I'm just gonna blow it with some brake cleaner because it doesn't look the best. Y'all will be able to see this here. So I already cleaned up all of that. I'm gonna move the camera closer soon. But I cleaned up top of the piston. Everything looks good. Okay. See if I put you guys down somewhere. My table is pretty messy right now. I think I'm just gonna have to move the mower back a little bit to the edge of this table. Okay, so you guys can see I made sure the piston is nice and clean. I'm just gonna put the bail down. Yeah, you can see that piston moving in there. So, just gonna get a clean rag and I'm gonna clean off these two surfaces here. And I'm gonna put a little bit of motor seal on there. I'm just gonna spray this with the compressor just one more time, just to make sure the head's nice and clean, because this thing here had water sitting in it for a little bit. So I'm just gonna put earmuffs on here and blow it off. Move you guys down here. Just gonna again clean off the surface here. Just gonna take those two out, and then for that clean towel, we're gonna clean the surface. And I think I've cleaned this about 4 times, and there's still so much junk coming off of that. Just gonna put these dowel pins back in. I believe that goes there, and this one goes there. I'm gonna need to put the these back in there. I labeled them. I'm pretty sure they're the same, but I labeled them just in case they're not. I don't think I've ever done I'm not sure if I can consider this a top end, but I don't think I've ever done a top end on one of these motors before. Just making sure to have not missed anything. I have to just put the new rocker arms on this, and it should be good. Okay, should be good now. Okay, so let's get turn you guys around here. We're gonna get the old rocker arms out of here. Okay, so to adjust the valves, you're gonna need not sure if I'm on the right side or if you can see that, but a 5 valve or 0.13 millimeter shim for that. And I'm just putting this back together over here. In the meantime, the left part, she's driving on. There you go. To get on there. There you go. That's on now. Now I just gotta put 2 nuts on there, and the carb's on. Don't have to worry about that anymore. I just have to do the timing here, and okay guys, so let's put these things back together now. I got the timing is done. So now I'm putting this cover on. These 2 pins over here gotta go in those 2 holes. Then this can come on. Shroud here on top. This, and you're gonna put this nut all the way through it. And there's 3 screws here. That has to go on. Okay, let's get these tightened down. So the timing, compression's good, so I think that's good. I think all that's good. Good. Now, tighten down this one in the center here. that's fine. Good enough for me. Now, gotta get this cover on here. There you go. That's on. Screws in there. And I got this pre-filter here. It's a little bit dirty, but this filter here, I think it was replaced recently. It's not that bad in there. Just pop that in there. There you go. And this top cover here. Now it's kind of weird. This mower here does not come with a fuel shut off, which normally these Kawasaki FJ180Vs will come with it. So there you go. Now, feels like a lawnmower pulling over. I don't know why, but that's the second one I've had that sound when you would pull it over. They wouldn't sound very nice. Sound like some plastic scraping on some metal. And I think that's just a plastic cover below this. You know, below that nut that goes in the flywheel, there's like a little plastic fan. And if you're wondering why I had to change this, it's because of that. And I could not thread a spark plug in there because the spark plug hole was broken. Supposedly the guy brought it to a repair shop to get a spark plug, and they told him they needed a coil, not a spark plug, and a head. Spark, it's got it. I don't know why it needs a coil. Maybe they just tried to pull it over. I know that there's like a little piece of metal down here that has to the ground on this to shut off. And it was touching just a slight bit, or like it looked like it was almost touching. But yeah, I think that's why. So I'm gonna take this off this table now. And it should start up. It's gonna need some oil for sure. But I'll put oil in it tomorrow. We're gonna see if it starts up tomorrow. You know, opening up the engine, I was not expecting the mower to start up first pull, and I was really surprised actually. I thought it might not start, but it started up. I didn't want to run it for too long just because it's a little bit late at night. It does surge a little bit. At least I heard it surge once or twice, and it's not too bad. I've a lot of coolers that not coolers, a lot of Kawasaki FJ180Vs that I have and had do that. Even my dad's 30-inch mowers do that. I don't know why, but I probably could take the bowl off and clean out the main jet, which I probably will do. Yeah, it didn't cost me anything to fix, so I'm in it only 380 bucks. We'll say with Loctite, spark plug, new oil, gasket maker, I'm in at $400, we'll say. Which is not bad. I know one of these mowers is worth more than that around here. I haven't even decided if I'm going to sell it yet, but I'm definitely thinking about it. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.